So, you're thinking about retiring around the Houston, Texas area. Well, let me tell you, you've got choices. Today, we're diving into the top 5 55 plus community active adult communities around the Houston and Texas area. These locations have great amenities and friendly neighbors, and the resort style living that you have earned. Whether you want peaceful lakeside living, golf course living, or easy access to Houston's great healthcare system, entertainment, shopping, believe me, there's something for everyone. So before we get into these areas, like my video if you like it. We want you to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you won't miss some of the great Houston communities that I'll be sharing with you on this particular channel. Make sure you sign up. The first community we're going to look at is called the Dale Webb Sweetgrass Community in Richmond, Texas. It has a resort style clubhouse, lakes, and trails. Our next stop is going to be in Windsor Lake in the Woodlands. It has gated luxury living with social clubs and activities. Then our next stop is going to be at the Villages at Tuscan Lakes down in League City, Texas. It has a peaceful coastal charm down by Galveston Bay. Then we'll move on to the Country Place down in Pearland, Texas. It's an affordable golf community with easy access to everything. Our final stop is going to be at Heritage Grange at Cinco Ranch in Katy, Texas. It has top-notch amenities and a super active calendar. So, which one is calling your name? If you're ready to tour homes or want to figure out which community fits your lifestyle, reach out to me, Anthony, the real estate guard dog, your Houston area expert. So let's find the perfect place to relax, connect, and live your next chapter to the fullest. So just call or email me and let's make this happen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the new chapters of Houston, Texas living. This includes community tours and new videos every week, new community tours, and new home spotlights. So let's go. First, it's Dale Webb Sweetgrass in Richmond, Texas. Let me share with you why it stands out. It's built as a true 55 plus adult active living community with resort style living. There's a 20,000 square foot lake right in front of the clubhouse. Indoor and outdoor pools, tennis, pickleball, and great trails to enjoy. The homes there range in size from 1,100 to 3,800 square feet and priced from the high 200s up to the 600s. It offers a great range for many budgets. Richmond, Texas gives a quieter suburban feel, but is still within reach of Houston's medical and amenity hubs. It's best for retirees who are active and want single family homes with social clubs and amenities geared for engagement. Our next stop is Windsor Lakes in the Woodlands, Texas. So let's talk about why it stands out. First, it's a gated 55 plus community within the Woodlands. And the Woodlands is a very highly rated subdivision. It includes 572 single family patio homes that ranges from 1,491 to 2,666 square feet. There's a 20,000 square foot clubhouse as well, exercise and craft rooms, a library, and outdoor pools, as well as walking and biking trails. The Woodlands rank very highly for retiree quality of life and value. This community is great for retirees who wants a strong community feel, all through Houston's north suburbs with upscale amenities, but still active adult in nature. Our next stop is at the Village at Tuscan Lakes over in League City, Texas. Now, let's talk about why it stands out. There's a dedicated 55 plus section of this community geared toward active adults, and it's within the larger Tuscan Lake Master Plan community. It offers lakefront trails, outdoor recreation like putting greens, fishing ponds, and walking and biking trails. It's already noted in the area's 55 plus guide with a medium home price of $396,000. The properties range from 1,100 to 2,500 square feet. This property is best for those wanting a life that's closer to the water and a 55 plus community, all within the Galveston Bay area, and yet a very comfortable suburban vacation style living. Our next stop is at the Country Place here in Pearland, Texas, an active adult 55 plus community with a lot of amenities, green space, lakes, golf course, and many activities that are planned for those who live in this particular community. Pearland is one of the primary areas in which I serve, and it's easy access to medical facilities if there's a need for that. Easy access to downtown, both the Texas Medical Center and downtown is about 20 odd miles away, so you can get there relatively easy. Once again, there's a golf course and outside activities also planned. Our final property today is Heritage Grand at Cinco Ranch over in Katy, Texas. Now we ask ourselves, what stands out about this property? This 55 plus active adult community hosts over 552 homes. Plus, there are 98 duplex homes as well. These homes feature first floor primary bedrooms and also a monitored alarm system. The amenities are great as well. There's a 14,000 square foot clubhouse. There are weekly social events such as coffee social and craft shows. There are outdoor events as well, such as horseshoes and shuffleboard. Katy is a strong suburb with easy access to Houston, Texas amenities. Now, this property is best for retirees who's seeking higher end finishes and a more built-in social club life and good access to the West Houston infrastructure. So on the screen, I have a comparison snapshot of each of these 5 great communities. The Deb Webb Sweetgrass, it ranges from the 200,000s to 600,000s, and it's 1,100 square feet to 3,800 square feet. It's in Richmond, Texas, which is southwest Houston. You get a resort style amenities, lakes and trails. Windsor Lakes. We have a median house price of about $370,000, $1,491 to 2,666 square feet. The Woodlands, which is the north suburbs, and it's upscale, active adult living. Village of Tuscan Lakes, medium home, $396,000 with 1,100 to 2,581 square feet. It's in League City, which is in the southeast portion of Houston. You got lakes, nature, and it's dedicated to the 55 plus. Country Place, medium home is $335,000, and it's value oriented. It's in Pearland, which is south of Houston. You know, it has great value and it's near the turf. We have finally the Heritage Grand at Cinco Ranch. Median price is $370,000 and the home is around 1,500 square feet. And this is over in Katy, which is the west suburbs. And it has a strong social club and higher finishes. So there you have it. These great 55 plus active adult communities around the Houston area. We looked at those in the northern suburbs, the southern suburbs, southeast, southwest, west, east, and these are all homes that are ranked very, very highly amongst 55 plus communities. So if you're interested in getting a personal tour or interested in a particular area where retirement communities are, reach out to me. Anthony Dawson, your real estate guard dog. You know, being here for you, looking out for you so you don't have to. My information is below, and we'll see you in the next video.